on an object I've never ever seen before. This battery. Somebody gave this battery to me today, so today I'm gonna do telekinesis with this battery. And that proves that I'm using the new telekinesis method, not the old one where you need to build a connection to your object first. I'm gonna have the battery here, so I'm gonna tell you what is going through my mind while I'm trying to move this battery. So I'm focusing on my chi, on my inner power. I'm focusing on this object. And now I try to think how it's moving back and forth. I really try to focus on that. And then, when the time is right, when I see the power charging up within my body, then I can push it. So I've been doing this new telekinesis method for quite some time now. I'm getting better. It doesn't take me too long anymore to do telekinesis with an object. I don't have to meditate so much. I think my telekinesis breathing method helped with that. But I also know that it's not needed for this new method. So I want you to try it at home. Try telekinesis with the breathing technique, breathing 100% in and 50% out. Try to do it with this technique, and then also try it without. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.